Hello friends, my name is Himanshu and I welcome you to this new video. Today we are going to talk about the latest update coming to Cubase version 13.050, which was recently released on October 24th, 2024. If you are new to my channel and watching this video for the first time, I would request you to subscribe to my channel and press the bell icon because I regularly bring videos related to music production. Now let's talk about this update. The major focus of this update is on the use of ARM CPUs. General CPUs demand more power supply, whereas using ARM CPUs requires less power supply. However, one negative point of ARM CPUs is that they tend to fail in tasks that require a lot of processing. However, in the future, the use of ARM CPUs may be seen in mobile devices. Therefore, the Cubase 13.0.50 update has focused on a version that supports ARM CPUs. However, the new update that has come out is not very optimized for the ARM CPU. It only provides support, so you may experience some hanging issues, which they plan to resolve in the near future. Steinberg's entire focus is on creating a MOM, fully optimized version of Cubase that supports ARM CPU by the beginning of 2025. If you go to the complementary products in the Steinberg Download Assistant, you will find all the applications that are ARM supported. You can update those applications from here. In addition, he has also worked on several very minor updates, and I will tell you about some of the major updates. You now have the option to easily search by signature in the attributes of the media bay. So if you have defined a signature in your loop, you can now also search for it conveniently and efficiently in the media bay using the signature feature. There was a problem changing the root note in events, but that issue has now been fixed. Additionally, when you use the sidechain on one track with another track, if you deleted one of those tracks and then undid the action, the configuration of your sidechain would change. Now, if you accidentally delete any track in the sidechain and you undo it, that configuration will not change. Friends, along with this, the editing and exporting of video tracks in Cubase has also improved, and there are some minor stability related improvements that you can see on the screen. So friends, I hope I have covered a lot of points. If you want to learn Cubase, you can visit www.himanshukatara.com to purchase my Cubase course, which teaches you from the beginning and covers many features. All the topics related to Cubase that I have covered will be available on my website, and the course fee is 999 rupees, which I believe is a very reasonable price for learning. The knowledge you will gain from this is very valuable. So I will see you in the next video. Until then, take care of yourself and goodbye.